Hey, welcome back everybody to a new YouTube video, and today we're going to be talking about the stock market, the one today which is June 20th. So it's already a little bit past noontime on Eastern Standard Time, and I just want to talk about how the stocks are moving and what the plays I'm looking at currently. So the first one on the list is AMD. Okay, AMD shot up. It went from 156 pre-market all the way up to 166.80, but then it fell back down into the range of 160.21. This is because the SPY is down. Okay, if you guys don't know what SPY is basically it's a stock where with a bunch of companies into that stock. It's like an index fund. So it's 500 companies. Those include like Microsoft, Apple, NVIDIA, of course. And the reason why the AMD is down is because, well, down at this moment, it should still be up at here at 166, is because the SPY is down. Now, if we go check out the SPY, SPDR, this morning it was trading at 550, and then it went up to 548 right after pre-market, and then it fell all the way down to 546. Now, that's a big fall. Okay, the reason why this fell is because, again, this is the top 500 companies into one index fund. The main company that is driving this to go up or down is the most valuable company. And that most valuable company is NVIDIA. So if you go check out NVIDIA tanked today, okay? NVIDIA was trading in the morning at 141.28 overnight hours, and then pre-market it was at 140, and then it just dropped an extra $10. Now that's a big drop. So that dropped SPY, dropped almost every stock that follows the SPY, and it had a lot to do with AMD. Now I know I said buy NVIDIA before. Now it's at 131. But if you're buying shares or you're buying call options on NVIDIA, that's still fine. Hold those call options. Even if you bought it at 140, you don't need to sell right now. You can hold it, whether it's a couple weeks, whether it's a month or two. But maybe the next day it'll go back up to 141. You don't know in the overnight hours, but this will go up. This is going to go near the $200 range by January, in my personal opinion. I think that if you buy NVIDIA now, you're getting a steal. You're getting one of the best prices to buy NVIDIA at, even if it's at 141. I have call options. I bought again today, more call options in the morning at 139. I might be down on those call options, but I know they're going to go back up, okay? So don't worry. Also, AMD, so once NVIDIA goes back up, AMD is going to follow suit, and it should go back to the 167, 168 range, maybe 170. That's what I'm saying. I'm thinking I will probably buy a couple options, calls on AMD specifically, and I think you can make some good money on this, whether it's shares or options. But I'm not thinking long term. I'm thinking these are short term plays. So if you put the expiration date in January or something 2025, 2026, but you buy the really expensive contracts, I think you'll make a good amount of money. That's what I'm doing right now. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about AMD. Even though AMD is second place behind NVIDIA in the chip making industry in the semiconductors, AMD is still a good company. They have good graphics cards. They have good chips. It is very comparable to NVIDIA. NVIDIA is just a little bit better. It's not that significant. It's just a little bit better. But I think NVIDIA, all the investors, all the big companies are making deals with NVIDIA over AMD. So that's why I think NVIDIA is definitely going to make a run for it. So yeah, any of these three stocks, even if you want to buy call options on SPY, go for it. If we check out the SPY chart, in the past week, it's just going up. In the past month, it's just going up. In the past 3 months, it's just going up. In the past 1 year, it's just been going up. Past 5 years, it's just going up. So SPY always goes back up. Okay? So I mean, yeah, call options in the long. If you buy expensive contracts on spot, you'll definitely make money too. Again, everything I said in this video is not financial advice. Take this with a grain of salt. This is my personal opinion, but I've been making boatloads of money. I'm talking hundreds of thousands, okay? And if you want to make money like that, then you just gotta do what you have to do. Go find your knowledge. Go do your research. I'm doing my research all the time, so I know what I'm doing. But again, yeah, take everything with a grain of salt. This is not financial advice. And yeah, if you guys like the video, comment, subscribe, and I'd appreciate it. And let me know if you want to see any other plays or what I've got cooking up. So thanks everyone.